Hey guys, it's Ian and today I'm going to be showing you the new Thomas & Friends Trackmaster Remote Control Percy. First up, we have got Remote Control Percy, Percy's Remote Control, and a set of instructions. To those who are wondering, Percy's remote control must contain of 2 AAA batteries in order for it to work. And Remote Control Percy also must contain of 2 AAA batteries. There's also another thing you must know, is in order for Remote Control Percy to work, is that the switch on Percy's cab must be switched to the I, as the O represents it to be off. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.